BIPF has continued its efforts to remote communities by adapting to technology outreach. Through the social distancing phase, we have handheld every beneficiary both emotionally and psychologically. The necessity for Yuva skill and women's livelihood domain has re-emerged in a bigger way. Adhyayan, our education spectrum, upgraded dramatically as we adapted to e-learning and the concept of online classes. Our advocacy platform Ideate virtually connected thought leaders from across socioeconomic sectors to hundreds of viewers. And now, here we are today at the Shambhavi Puraskar 2021 to celebrate social change agents from the grassroots who work tirelessly to transform challenges into opportunities. This evening is indeed a proud moment for both the award recipients and for the Bansidhar Nila Panda Foundation. My heartiest congratulations to Mr. Khirot Sahu on winning the 8th Shambhavi Puraskar. Mr. Khirot Sahu belongs to Talcher in Angul district and started this benevolent service at the young age of 12. His commendable contribution of arranging large number of blood donation camps and especially for hundreds of sickle cell anemia and thalassaemic children has earned him the admiration and respect from all. Recently, in 2020, he even arranged the rare Bombay phenotype blood for a 28-year-old woman, an extraordinary achievement at any time, but more so during a pandemic. Mr. Sahu is known for his immediate response with his 24/7 bike cum ambulance. And in addition to this, he does advocacy for underprivileged children on the necessity of education and has convinced many to go back to school. He has been vocal against child marriage, alcoholism, domestic violence, dogmatic social practices.
2021 रे इलापंडा बंशीपंडा फाउंडेशन पक्षरु इंफा आज सिलेक्ट करिछि अष्टम संभावी पुरस्कार रे मो अत्यंत खुशी एवं जो प्रकार मो पाखरे असहाय गरीब लोक मान अछंती निराकरण करिया पई चिकित्सा करिया पई मुके विश्वास कर नथिली तार अर्थराति पुरस्कार 2.5 लाख थिबो बोली जोठी गरीब असहाय लोक मान को टंका मागिया पे हेले लोक मान को विभिन्न अनुष्ठान मागिले 3 दिन 4 दिन लागे एभले एक 2.5 लाख टंका मो पई तो काली बर्तन मु एस्टिमेट करि सालिछि जे बस्ती रे रेल लाइन गुड़ कटि जाइथिबा प्रमिला मुंडा तांगो एक साइकिल संगे से 5000 टंका दिया जिवो से जेमिति स्कूल को आसुतला साइकिल से सेमिति विद्यालय को फेरी पाइबो आपन के पैसा रे आपन को अर्थ राशि रे.
Congratulations to Mrs. Nivedita Lenka on being the recipient of the Shambhavi Puraskar Jury Commendation for 2021. Despite being a homemaker with modest means, is a motherly support to over 100 meritorious students. Yashoda Ma, as she is fondly called, made it her mission to work relentlessly for the underprivileged children, troubled teens, abused women, and homeless individuals. Her support has led many youngsters on a life-changing path, creating an opportunity for all these children to pursue higher studies in sciences and humanities and go on to securing a job.
आज मो पई एक खुशीर मुहूर्त कारण ए पुरस्कार मो पई प्रेरणा जगेबा सहित मते आगु को जिया पई मो मनोबल बढ़ाई एवं मोर भविष्य कर्म कर्तव्य को सूचई देछि भविष्य रे मु जो पिला को गढ़ुची से माने निश्चित भाव रे जोठी जो जगह थिबे निश्चित भाव रे से माने प्रति जगह जने सूत्रधर है कि रहिबे कारण से माने अन्य मानक पई निश्चय प्रेरणा सृष्टि करिवे एवं अन्य मानक पई उदाहरण मध्ये सृष्टि करिवे कारण से माने गरीबीटा को पाखरु देखिसंती तेणु से माने केबे पथभ्रष्ट हेबे नाही मु आज शपथ नउची मु आज भी एठी आपन पाखरे कहूची जे मो समाज रु गरीब अनाथ मेधावी पिला कोण अनुकोणरू निश्चित साउंटी आनिबी एवं समाजर मुख्य स्रोत सामिल करने संगे संगे ताको पई गोटे मजबूत प्लाटफॉर्म निश्चय तैयारी करबी तेणु आज ये पुरस्कार टी जो पिलामानक पई मु काम करछि से पिलामानकु ए पुरस्कार टी मु डेडिकेट करछि.
INFA and Bansidhar Nila Panda Foundation, the CSR arm of Indian Metals and Ferroalloys Limited, has involved to contributing to Odia literature through Sarla Award, encouraging sports persons through Eklavya Award, the Ghanshyam Das Scholarship for meritorious students, to pursue higher studies, and ultimately the Shambhavi Puraskar for making positive impact for humanity. While we listen to the narration of Mr. Sahu, we realize how much self-motivation goes into a 24-hour service for the vulnerable. Rushing to accident locations, rescuing victims, arranging blood to save lives. These services to mankind are beyond measure. No awards can quantify the benefit that he gives to society. Mrs. Lenka is an example of benevolence. Her work for the younger generation is the need of the society. Counseling underprivileged students towards a stable life, helping them choose a career path, networking for their scholarship and motivating them by monitoring their progress. She treats those around her like an extended family, and she should be an example for every woman on earth. Dear awardees, perseverance, commitment, outstanding contribution, change agents, role model for society, unsung heroes, reaching to vulnerable, these are not just words, but milestones of your journey. Learning about your chosen path, your efforts and dedication to the cause, we commend you for your work.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us learn from the sense of purpose of both our awardees tonight and use the interesting lens they use to view the world and reach out to those in distress. Thank you.